Samsung has discovered a means to reintroduce the FE series, and the Galaxy S23 FE will be available later this year. Previously, FE phones used the same processor as their normal S-series counterparts, but with the S23 FE, Samsung has chosen to use a year-outdated chipset, not the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but a much superior TSMC manufactured the 8 Plus Gen 1 found on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This processor is significantly more effective and potent than the 8 Gen 1 on the Galaxy S22, and it even outperforms the A15 Bionic in gameplay evaluations, so the results speak for themselves. So them using a year-outdated processor would undoubtedly help Samsung keep the costs of the S23 FE affordable, which is after all the phone's primary purpose. The Exynos 2200 processor will power the Galaxy S23 FE in all nations, including the United States, according to sources. The Exynos 2200 chip, which powers the Galaxy S22 line in Europe, will also power the Galaxy S23 FE. The Exynos 2200 was Samsung's first CPU with an AMD GPU, and it was a flop, which is probably why Samsung selected Qualcomm for the S23 series. According to verified reports, the Galaxy S23 FE will have a 4,500 mAh battery, and potentially a 25-watt rapid charging, just like the Galaxy S23. According to a new rumor, Samsung will forego the Galaxy A74 in 2023, in order to concentrate on the debut of the Galaxy S23 FE. Let's move on to some other Galaxy S23 FE specifications that we've discovered. A 50-megapixel rear camera could be one of the S23 FE's most important enhancements. The S23 FE and S21 FE use the same 12-megapixel back camera as the standard S20 and S21 versions, and with Samsung updating the primary camera to a 50-megapixel sensor on the base Galaxy S22 and S23 devices, we expect the S23 FE to get the same upgrade. So, how do you feel about Samsung's choice to include the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the forthcoming Fan Edition model? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.